The open game license. If you've been paying attention to other D&D content creators, Reddit, or even D&D memes, then you already have a good idea what's going on and why we're all freaking out. If not, you should read up on it or watch a 20-minute video about it. I will assume that you know enough. I'm not a lawyer who understands all this stuff. I can't guide you through this. But you don't really need a lawyer to understand this is utterly insane and very disrespectful to the tabletop community as a whole. Anyways, this is my opinion. It's why you came here, and I'm gonna be very quick about it. Everyone else is making 20-minute long videos out of all this, but as you know, my style is just to get to the point as quickly as possible. If you wanted deep stuff about this, then I'm sorry, I can't give you it. So the gist is this affects everyone, even people who don't play D&D or tabletop games at all. It's a mess. We're all going to get worse products from now on because of this OGL. The license is so terrible that literally no one should sign it ever. You would have to be utterly insane to sign it. To be clear, this doesn't just suck for people trying to make money. This sucks for everyone looking to publish anything at all. This is not a license you want to get. It will destroy you. And even not getting the license obviously screws you over too. So like, what do you do? Now, what I concluded is don't sign it at all. It's a big trap and it's more work for you. Now, what can we actually do? Well, we need to make sure both Wizards and Hasbro know that we're unhappy. So here's the link to the Open D&D. This is a site for all tabletop communities who all banded together to slay the dragon and are actually for a real open game license that doesn't screw anyone over. Signing the open letter helps immensely. This is a fear-mongering video. You should be fearful. D&D shouldn't just be for Hasbro. D&D should be for everyone, and we gotta make sure to tell them that because this will crush our creative hobby. Me and Gator are for the community, and Gator loves you, by the way. Have a nice week, everyone. Thank you for watching. Sign the thing. Bye-bye.